Yon, pag-usapan natin itong si Enrique Razon na naghain ng complaint laban kay Kiko Barsaga. Meow meow. Okay, game. Panoorin natin.
Ito na lang siguro, sir. So what was filed?
We filed a complaint for cyber libel.
Your client Enrique Razon versus...
Si Congressman Barzaga.
Okay, what...
Aray ko! Ingay mo kasi sa social media, yan tuloy. Nakahanap ka ng katapat mo. Ano ba kasi pinuputok ng mga buti nyo dyan? Lahat na lang pinapatamaan nyo. Sige, tuloy.
was the basis of the complaint?
The basis was the Facebook posts which Congressman Barzaga made on his Facebook account last January 9th.
What were the allegations that prompted your client to file a complaint?
No,
Ang aligasyon kasi dyan, si Kiko Barsaga, inakusahan si Enrique Razon na si Enrique Razon puno ang mastermind ng korupsyon dyan sa Congress. Tuloy.
I will not repeat that. I will not repeat that. What we consider to be the defamatory statements.
Ano ko yan?
What may be his evidences na nag-post siya ng ganon against the NUP?
Now, I don't know. I don't know his motives behind that. You'll have to ask him.
So, may mga evidence daw siya na ipapresent pagbalik niya ng camera.
Ano sabi niya?
Ganyan naman sila eh. Ano ba ang asa mo din sa mga DDS na yan? Puro kayo ano? Ebidensya. Pagdating, wala. Tignan mo to kay Libiste, may ebidensya nga. Tablay naman. Si Magalong. Asan na ebidensya ng yung 777? 30-30-30. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin. Tuloy natin to.
How do you plan to respond to that? Dun sa binabanggit niya na he'll present evidence. Supposedly,
No, we haven't seen the evidence, and the basis of this complaint of ours is precisely our position that what he said was false and malicious.
alright. Thank you.
Okay, sige.
Yun. Nakusahan nga si, ano dyan, si Enrique Razon na siya yung mismo ang mastermind ng corruption dyan sa Congress. Wait lang. Ayan. According to the Post affidavit, the Post reached thousands of users and were amplified by local news outlet before being deleted. Reason note, the use of the hashtag ikulong si Razon. Yun na ang katunayan nila. Meron pa dito eh. He further characterized the bribery claims as implausible, pointing out that Romualdez faced no opposition and secure supermajority for the speaker, entering any alleged way of unnecessary reason maintained he has no involvement in the internal leadership dynamics of life. Ito. Razon is seeking 2 counts of cyber libel under the Cybercrime Prevention Act. The businessman is also demanding 100 million in moral damage, aray ko, and 10 million in exemplary damages, citing the significant harm to his global reputation and emotional distress. Totoo yan. Masisira si ano dyan sa ginawa ni Kiko meow meow. Meow meow. Baka nga maapektuhan yung mga negosyo niya. Kaya nag-demand silang ano. Reasonable naman kasi. Eh, kilalang tao yun si ano eh. Si Rason eh. Tapos yung mga abala pa. Oh. 100 million, no? Bali 110 million. Paldo ka ng Kiko. Ano ka ngayon? May nalalaman ka pang hashtag ikulong si Rason, ha? Ngayon, ikaw ang humarap. Paliwanag ka. Labas mo ebidensya mo pagpasok mo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. At follow ako sa ating Facebook page, Article PH. Maraming salamat ulit at meow meow!